Many people are waiting for the perfect moment, a higher income, promotion, or when life is more certain. But listen, life really works that way. Have you ever told yourself, I'll start saving when I get the dream job? Or I'll start investing after I pay off all my debts? Another one is, I'm in my 20s. I don't need to worry about retirement. I'm still young. I'll worry about it later. If that sounds like you, then you should watch this video. Many people believe that planning for retirement is something you worry about decades from now. But the reality is, waiting too long can actually cost you. Nobody plans to struggle financially during retirement. Yet, we have many seniors in their 60s, 70s working long hours in their retirement age. If you ask some of them, they will tell you that they wish they had started saving earlier and they wish they could go back to make a better financial decision. Some would say it's not because they earned little or because they lacked opportunity, but because they underestimated the power of time. When it comes to retirement planning, time is more often important than the amount of money you invest. The earlier you start, the more opportunity your money has to grow through compound interest. But the longer you wait, the harder your money has to work for you. Let's look at a hypothetical example. Imagine you want to retire at age 67 with $1 million invested, assuming an average annual return of 9%. Here is approximately what you would need to save each month. Starting at the age of 27, you would need to save $214 per month. Starting at the age of 37, you would need to save over $500 per month. Starting at the age of 47, you would need to start saving over $1,000 per month. At the age of 57, you have to save over $5,000 per month. But when you wait till the retirement age itself, at the age of 67, then you need to save $13,000 per month. Take a look at those numbers. The goal never changed. The retirement age never changed. The only thing that changed was the starting point. And the later you start, the more difficult it is to get to your destination. Many people are waiting for the perfect moment, a higher income, promotion, or when life is more certain. But listen, life really works that way. There will always be another goal, another expense, another reason to postpone saving or investing. This means there is no perfect time. The perfect time doesn't exist. The best perfect time was years ago. The next best perfect time is today. Whether you're in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, it's never too early or too late to start planning for your future. The key lesson is simple. Don't let waiting become your financial strategy. Start from where you are. Start with what you can afford. Because every year you delay makes your retirement goals or your future goals more expensive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share to someone that believes they still have enough time to save and invest. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.